In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase or decrease text size in the Notes application. That is quite simple and easy to do. Let's begin, and first you can open up your Notes app. Hit on Notes and there, create a new note or open up existing. Now there you have to open up your keyboard. So tap on a free space and now there. All you have to do to be able to change the size of this text is hit a dare on this letter icon to open up our text format options, and now here, for example, you can select some text and change format of this text from subheading to heading, to title or to body. Or if you wish, you can change it to monospace. And also there you can make text both italic, underlined, and change other format options here if you want. And also you can make a new line. Hit on these letters icon. Select the format. Go back to keyboard and start typing new text. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.